Hello folks, in this fourth part we will have a look at the Cappadocian volcanoes themselves. Whereas most of the source of the thick ignimbrites are hidden calderas, some volcanoes are very visible. Stratovolcanoes tend to form very tall mountains, and they alternate the eruption style between robust lava flows and pyroclastic ash-type eruptions. The composition of the erupted Cappadocian material varies from basaltic all the way to rhyolitic. Firstly, we have Mount Hassan, which is located south of the province and is towering at about 3,300 meters. It has two peaks and started erupting about 13 million years ago. Its last eruption occurred about 6,000 years ago. Now, weak fumarolic activity still occurs to this day, so the volcano is clearly dormant and not extinct. Cranking it up a little, Mount Arceus is located north of the province and reached an impressive height of 3,900 meters. It started erupting 5 million years ago, whereas its last activity is not so clear, but is believed to be as young as 1,000 years old. My favorite volcanoes though are the small scoria cones, simply because they are so satisfying to climb. They are the most common type of volcanoes in the world, and the Cappadocian province is no exception, with more than 800 cones. Alright folks, so behind me there's one of the 800 cones of the Cappadocian province. So what do you say we climb it and see how it looks like up there? It's really not as easy as it looks, but a bit more effort and we'll be shortly to the summit. Not that young anymore, folks. Whoa. Whew. Made it to the top. Look at this beautiful crater. Oh, that's a nice crater. Oh, it's very deep as well. That's a big one. They tend to cluster in several distinct fields, and almost all of them are a few tens to hundreds of thousands years old. The interesting things in Cappadocia is when you find a scoria cone, you find many of them because they tend to cluster all together in very restricted areas. They form in one short episode by fountaining bits of basaltic lava in the air, Strombolian style. The quenched lava immediately falls back on the ground under the form of scorias and bombs.